Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Esther Prara of Estibella Designs. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to structure our corset with the double boning technique. So I'm making a corset for my client, and my client is a busty client. I looked for a bra cup in the market. I couldn't get a size, so I had to use wadding. You can see I use wadding to pad both the lining and the fashion fabric. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this. I've done some already. I've used the regilin boning. This is a regilin boning. It's called the regilin boning because you can sew on both sides. So I'm going to sew it. I've sewn on other side, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to sew it. So you see, let me sew it now. You're going to sew on both sides. There's a place, you see it. There's a place to sew on both sides. So I'm going to sew on both sides. That's what you do. After you have made your corset, under your line, on the seam line, you press open your seam line, then you sew on both sides. There is a place where you sew. So you can see me, I'm sewing it now. I'll sew on this first side, then I'll turn it around and I'll sew on the other side. You see, I've sewn on the first line, so I want to sew on the other side now. So you can see me sewing on the other side now. That's what I'm going to do. I've sewn on the other side. I'm trying to cut off my threads. Try and cut off all your threads. So see it on the right side. This is what it should look like on the right side. This is what it should look like. Then see, I've done for everything now. So the next thing you want to do is to bring your plastic boning. This one is quite different from the other one. The plastic boning, you cannot sew on it. You cannot sew on it. So to do your double boning technique, what you do now is to insert this plastic boning. It's not sewable. You can't sew on it. So you see it, you pass it through inside, in between the place that you sewed. You can see it on the right side. See, I've put it on the first one. I'm putting it on the second one now. That's how you pass it all through. You see it, just pass it through the hole, through the regilin boning that you sew initially. I hope you can see it. You see, when you pass it, you can use a sharp object to push it in so that it goes inside. And please don't forget to leave your half inch down when you want to connect, when you want to sew back the upper bodies to the lower bodies. If you put it up to these down parts, you will not be able to sew on it. So make sure that it doesn't get down. Make sure it doesn't get down. So you see, I've finished passing it. You can see it's giving the corset more structure now. You can see it's giving it more structure. So this is how it should look like when you are done. You'll see it on my client now. You can see this is my client for her first fit. She came for her first fit. This is what it looked like, and this is what it is after the embellishment. See how beautiful it is. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please do well to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Bye.